we are going to design the second part of the chess assembly, and that is a pawn of the chess. So from here, click on model for type modeling and make it okay from here. Now as similar, we have to select the sketch, means on which plane we want to work. So from here, clicking on the sketch command, then we have to select the planar face of plane. So click on this sketch command. Now select the planar face of plane, click on this exit plane and make it okay from here. Now what we have to create a profile. Okay, so from here, go on profile command. Let's cancel it. From here, go on profile command, taking this is the first point, to go left with the length of 15 and make the angle of 180. Let's zoom it. Okay, now we have to go straight with the length of 3 and make the angle of 90. In the right with the length of 2 and make the angle of 0. Go up with the length of 2 and make the angle of 90. We have to create a 90. Let's zoom it so you can see it easily. Okay, like this one. From here, make it to 2 and 90. Now what we have to do is to join these 2 points. Let's cancel the command, quick trim the extra lines. So from here, let's quick trim the extra lines like this one. Now we have to create the arc. So from here, taking this as a first point, take this as a second point, and we have to create an arc of radius 6. Let's take the closer one. Okay, this one is the closer one. Now what we have to do is to rapid dimensioning of this one. So from here, going on the rapid dimensioning, taking the first point of the arc and taking the last point of the arc, end point of the arc. This distance would be of 8.97, the vertical distance. How much is it? 10. So let's make it to 8.97. So from here, make it to 8.97 like this one. Now what we have to do is to select the tangent point, right, like this. So right click from here and make it select from the list, take the tangent point, then take this center point and this distance would be of 14. So from here, make it to 14 like this one. Now one has been completed. Now again, go on line command, taking this as a first point, go up with the length of 1 and make it to 90 like this one. Now again, similarly, we have to create a arc again. So let's create a random arc. After that, we will do a rapid dimensioning, taking these 2 points and create an arc of radius 2. Take the closer one. Let's take it. Let's zoom it out like this one. Okay. Now what we have to do is to do the rapid dimensioning. So from here, go on rapid dimensioning. Select the first point of the arc. Then select the second point of the arc. This distance should be of 2. So from here, make it to 2. Let's make it to 2 like this one. Now again, we have to make the end point of this distance and this point, sketch origin point. This distance should be of 8. So from here, how much it is? 8. Okay, it is exactly 8. So no need to change that. Let's cancel that. Again, drag it out like this one. Now what we have to do is to create another arc. So let's make it something closer. Pan it at the center. Okay, I'm making it zoom so you can get the whole drawing easily. So from here, taking this as a start point, now we have to create a arc like this one. Okay, we have to create a arc of radius 50. Okay, take the closer one like this one. Now again, we have to make the rapid dimensioning of it. So let's do it fast. From here, select the rapid dimensioning, select this first point of the arc and then select the point of the arc like this one and make this distance of 24.06. So from here, make it to 24.06 like this one. Okay, now let's close this, take that, something pan more. Okay, like this one. Now we have to do the rapid dimensioning of this. So from here, taking the center point, let's take it the right click from this, select from the list. Now do the tangent point on the arc, then taking this as a first point, we have to do the distance of 5. So from here make it to 5. Let's reduce it to the 5 and make it to 5 like this one. Okay, now we can see the half of the diagram has been completed. Now we have to make one or two more, so let's make it pan. Let's zoom it out from here. Now again going to the arc command. From here we have to create a arc of radius 2. From here make an arc of radius 2. So from here make the arc of radius 2. Okay, now we can see it is of 3.3. Let's make it rapid dimensioning. Double click on this and make it the radius of 2 like this one. Now what we have to do is to the rapid dimensioning of this arc again. So going on the arc, taking this as a first point, now taking this as a second point and point of the arc, and the distance should be of 3.26. So from here make it to 3.26 like this one. Now again we have to do the, so from here first make it to fit like this one. Now we have to do the rapid dimensioning in the horizontal way. So taking the point here and then taking the point here, the distance would be of 6. So let's see how much it is. Let's see, is it is 6.5. So let's make it to 6. From here make it to 6 like this one. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to, now let's create a reference line. So taking line from here, creating a line of something like this one, taking the line from here, go up like this one. Now what we have to do is to quick trim the extra lines like this one and then this one and then also trim this one. No need of this also. Now we have to pan that one. Let's pan it and zoom it at the hair point. Okay, now what we have to do is to create a line again, and taking this point we have to create a line of length 15.71 divided by 2 like this one. It should be of 7.855. Now let's cancel the command from here, make it to like this one. Now going on the circle command, taking this as a first point, we have to create a circle of diameter 18. So from here make it to 18 like this one. Now again we have to, let's do that again, taking this point, going straight and again joining the points, this point, and let's do that, join this one, because we have to trim the half portion, so we are creating this as a solid so it can be completely filled. Okay, so taking this point, removing this point, removing this two, removing this one, removing this one, this point, this point, and this point. Let's zoom it. So now what we have to do, let's see if that point come that here something. Okay, it can come here. Let's see what happened. No, let's control it. What we have to do is to take this point, if see we can or not. Let's see. No, we can't. Let's make that control Z. Now we can see if it works or not. Quick extend. Okay, it works. Okay, now we have extended the arc. So now what we have to do is to trim this point and this extra line from here. Now what we have to do is to make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view like this one. Now again right click on this, we don't need this arc, so from here right click on this and make it convert to reference and then finish it and bring it to isometric view like this one. Now we have to revolve this sketch, so from here go on revolve command, select the sketch, select this sketch, specify the vector, it should be in the z direction. Now specify the point, you will get a point here, and your pawn has been completed from here. Now what we have to do is to do the right click on this and make this as height, like this one. Again, going on the rendering, make it true setting. Okay, now this part has been created like this one. Now we can make it easily. So saving this file, after that we will create the third part of the chess assembly.